Hi everyone. This is
설악산.
Seoraksan, ablaze with red autumn leaves. Today let's climb with me, Jieun, and learn Korean. Climbing a mountain stirs up all kinds of thoughts. Curious how to say them clearly? Today's theme is
의견 표현.
expressing opinions and
설득.
persuasion. Pairing a claim with a reason makes your Korean sound far more logical. Let's study climbing the red leaf trail step by step, organizing our thoughts as we go. Remember, a good opinion needs a
근거.
reason. The why makes it persuasive. Now let's begin today's lesson on this crisp autumn trail. Ready? The most common opener.
제 생각에는
In my opinion, it signals here comes my view.
제 생각에는 설악산이 한국에서 가장 아름다워요.
In my opinion, Seoraksan is the most beautiful in Korea. To state a claim clearly, use
저는 다고 생각해요.
I think.
생각하다.
To think is a verb. I think.
울산바위.
Ulsanbawi. Over there is truly majestic. It takes your breath away, right? To agree, use
동의하다. 저도 그렇게 생각해요.
or
동의해요.
when you differ, use
반대하다.
the Korean way. Add a reason and stay polite. Good point, but I see it a bit differently. Respecting the other first keeps it pleasant. The key word.
왜냐하면.
Because, a conjunctive adverb that attaches a reason.
왜냐하면 공기가 맑기 때문이에요.
Because the air is clean. To move from reason to conclusion, use
따라서.
therefore. Today's core pattern, claim and reason in one.
저는 다고 생각해요. 왜냐하면 다고.
Is indirect quotation.
예쁘다.
Becomes.
예쁘다고. 좋다.
Becomes.
좋다고.
I think Seoraksan is beautiful because the leaves are truly lovely. Hear it. The why sits inside the sentence, and the listener nods along. I think the cable car is convenient because it saves energy. Make reason specific. The view opens up wide beats just because it's nice. I think walking is better because you can enjoy the leaves slowly. After reasons, close with
따라서.
therefore, I decided to hike up. Let expression and gesture join your words. A bright face for conviction. A raised finger for the reason. Say it after me. I think because therefore. Keep opinions polite. Ending with
요.
or
습니다.
softens even a strong claim. In some, I think because. One pattern for claim, reason, and persuasion. Now a short debate. When.
찬성,
For and.
반대,
Against, go back and forth, catch each side's reasons. Today's topic, cable car up Seoraksan or hike? Light and fun, right? In favor. I think the cable car is good, because it saves time and you can enjoy the view. 2 reasons. Against. I think we should walk because you feel the leaves up close. Each reason. For equals saves time, against equals enjoy leaves. If a reason resonates, follow with.
저도 그렇게 생각해요.
I think so too. Disagree by first acknowledging. That's true, but I think. Then it's a conversation. Curious? Ask.
왜 그렇게 생각하세요?
Why do you think so? A debate is about learning, not winning. On a good reason, say, I see. And be ready to change your mind. For or against, a clear reason makes a fine opinion. What matters is saying why. Now persuasion, not force but gently moving someone's heart with good reasons. Just a little more. I think we can reach the top because we've made it this far. The secret. Empathy first, reason second. I know it's hard, but a bit farther there's a gorgeous view. In Korea, courtesy matters greatly. However much you disagree, respect the other and end with a smile. With elders, be extra polite. May I share my view? Ask leave first. The summit at last. I knew we'd make it because we never gave up. Today we learned to open with.
제 생각에는,
Give a reason with.
왜냐하면,
Close with.
따라서,
And agree/disagree politely. What's your opinion? Share it with a reason in the comments. Let's meet again for Logical Korean. And don't forget to subscribe and like.